Tired of the same old echo chamber and ready to understand the difference between Fox News and CNN? Let's dive in. First up, reporting style. Fox News generally employs a more opinionated and personality-driven approach, often with hosts expressing strong viewpoints. CNN tends to present information in a more traditional, objective style, though analysis segments do feature differing perspectives. Target audience matters. Fox News primarily caters to a conservative audience, while CNN aims for a more centrist or left-leaning viewership. Understanding this bias is crucial for context. Political leanings are undeniable. Fox News is widely perceived as having a conservative bias, frequently highlighting stories favorable to the Republican Party. CNN generally leans slightly left, focusing on issues aligned with the Democratic platform, although it aims to present diverse viewpoints. Now, credibility. Both networks face criticisms. Fox News is often accused of spreading misinformation or promoting partisan narratives, while CNN receives flack for perceived sensationalism or biased reporting. Fact-checking is always essential. So, which is best? It's not about declaring a winner, but finding what aligns with your personal values and approach to news consumption. Consider diverse sources, fact-check information, and seek multiple perspectives to form your own informed opinions.